Assembly is all about school rules, the small things that help us become big-hearted and smart students. Let's start our day with a thought for the day. I invite Ashley to share it with us.
Good morning, everyone. Thought for the day is rules in school are like the lanes of a train. They don't restrict the journey. They ensure we reach our destination safely and successfully. I repeat, rules in school are like the lanes of a train. They don't restrict the journey. They ensure we reach our destination safely and successfully. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. That was a great reminder.
Now, let's enjoy a short and a sweet poem on school rules by Dilpreet and Shaurya.
Hello everyone, I am Dilpreet and my name is Shaurya. Today we are here to recite a poem on school rules. Welcome to class, please take your seats. No running around on your left feet. Wear your uniform neat and bright. No superhero caps or jean too tight. Be on time, don't miss the bus. You are a student. Homework is due. Don't say my dog ate it. Excuses are old. We don't rate it. Raise your hands. Don't shout out loud. You are a student, not cheering a crowd. Respect your teacher. Greet with a smile. It's cool to be kind. That always in style. Keep your desk clean and books aligned. A messy table is not a good sign. And one last thing. Do participate in every activity. Be first, not last. No food fight or chalk wars, please. We are students, not wild monkeys on trees. So follow these rules, stay smart and cool, and make your classroom the happiest school. Thank you and have a nice day.
Wasn't that adorable? Big applause for Dilpreet and Shaurya.
Now, it's time to enjoy something that brings melody to our message.
Yes, what better way to express our thoughts than through a beautiful group song?
Our classmates are here to present a song that reminds us of the joy.
Friends, as they sing, एक बनेंगे नेक बनेंगे.
सब्जी खाएंगे, जंक फूड को रच कर